Have you ever wondered how your internet service remains smooth and fast even during peak hours? At the heart of this digital marvel is Broadband Network Management, a sophisticated dance of technology and strategy that ensures you can stream, browse, and download without a hitch. Broadband networks, sprawling webs of connectivity, require meticulous management to transmit vast amounts of data at high speeds to homes, businesses, and institutions around the globe. This management isn't just about keeping the lights on, it's about optimizing every bit and byte. Network managers allocate bandwidth judiciously, ensuring that all users and applications have fair access to the network resources they need when they need them. This is crucial for maintaining not only speed, but also the quality of the service you enjoy. From watching your favorite online videos to teleconferencing across continents, every aspect of your internet experience is shaped by these unseen efforts. Understanding broadband network management helps us appreciate the seamless internet experience we often take for granted. Imagine the internet as a series of highways. Without proper traffic management, it would be chaos during rush hour. In the realm of broadband network management, one of the most critical tasks is bandwidth allocation. This process involves distributing the available bandwidth among various users and applications. The aim is to ensure that everyone gets a slice of the pie without overloading the network. By implementing quality of service or QoS policies, network administrators can prioritize traffic. This means that critical applications like video conferencing or emergency services can operate smoothly even during peak internet usage times. But how exactly is traffic prioritized? Well, QoS policies typically categorize traffic based on factors such as the type of application, the priority of the user, or specific service level agreements. For instance, a telemedicine session might be given higher priority over a standard video stream, ensuring that there are no interruptions during critical consultations. Moving on to traffic shaping. This technique is like the traffic signals on our internet highways. It helps control the flow of data, preventing logjams that can lead to delays and frustration. During times when the network is congested, traffic shaping policies might reduce the bandwidth available for streaming high-definition videos, thus ensuring that more urgent communications get through without a hitch. Another pivotal aspect of traffic management is content delivery optimization. This involves techniques such as caching frequently accessed content on local servers or utilizing content delivery networks. CDNs distribute the load by redirecting users to the nearest server, significantly reducing latency and speeding up access to content. Moreover, compression techniques can be applied to reduce the size of the data being transferred, which further conserves bandwidth and enhances transmission efficiency. In essence, these strategies collectively ensure that the network can handle varying loads and distribute resources effectively. Whether it's prioritizing critical data, shaping traffic to prevent congestion, or optimizing how content is delivered, each plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity and efficiency of the network. Effective traffic management ensures that every user gets their fair share of bandwidth without compromising the network's overall performance. How do network administrators ensure that everything is running smoothly? Through vigilant network performance monitoring. In the bustling world of broadband networks, real-time monitoring is akin to having a high-powered microscope zooming in on the network's vital signs. Network performance metrics such as bandwidth utilization and latency are continuously tracked to ensure that the network delivers seamless service to its users. Imagine monitoring the pulse of an athlete during a marathon. Similarly, network administrators keep tabs on data as it pulses through cables and airwaves. To achieve this, a variety of sophisticated monitoring tools and software platforms are employed. These tools act as the network's watchful eyes, providing a live dashboard of network health. They can quickly pinpoint when and where data traffic jams occur or if data is trickling too slowly. This enables a proactive approach to managing network performance, ensuring that any potential issues are addressed before they impact the user experience. Performance analysis takes this data and turns it into actionable insights. By scrutinizing this information, network administrators can detect patterns and anomalies that may suggest underlying problems. This could be anything from a failing piece of hardware to an unexpectedly high demand on network resources. Through thorough analysis, issues are not just resolved but anticipated, preventing future disruptions. Moreover, capacity planning is an essential aspect of network performance monitoring. It involves looking at historical traffic data and using it to forecast future needs. This foresight allows network managers to make informed decisions about when to upgrade infrastructure or expand capacity. It ensures that the network doesn't just meet current demands, but is also prepared for future growth, whether it's the sudden surge in demand from a viral event or the steady increase due to more users joining the network. In essence, network performance monitoring is not just about keeping the network running, it's about optimizing it for today and preparing it for tomorrow. Continuous monitoring and analysis not only maintain, but also enhance the network's performance over time. In an age where data breaches are common, how do broadband networks stay secure? To safeguard the digital fortresses that millions rely on daily, broadband networks deploy an arsenal of sophisticated security measures. Among these, firewalls stand as the first line of defense. Firewalls meticulously scrutinize incoming and outgoing network traffic, ensuring that only legitimate data passes through while blocking malicious or unauthorized attempts to access the network. Moving deeper into the security layers, intrusion detection and prevention systems, or IDPS, play a critical role. These systems continuously monitor network traffic for patterns that may indicate a security breach, such as unusual traffic flows or known malicious signatures. Once a potential threat is detected, the system acts swiftly, either by alerting administrators or by automatically taking actions to mitigate the threat, ensuring continuous protection against evolving cyber threats. But what about the data that travels across these networks? Here, encryption is the key. Data encryption transforms readable data into a coded form before it is sent across the network, making it incomprehensible to anyone who intercepts it without the proper decryption key. Technologies such as SSL, TLS are commonly employed to secure everything from your emails to your online transactions, maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive information. Moreover, the role of security doesn't end with external threats. Internally, policies and protocols are established to manage who can access what data and when. This includes robust authentication mechanisms, comprehensive access controls, and regular audits of security practices, all designed to fortify the network from the inside out. These security measures are continually updated and refined to adapt to new challenges. As cyber threats grow more sophisticated, so too do the strategies and technologies designed to thwart them, ensuring that security management remains a dynamic and proactive part of broadband network administration. Robust security management is essential to protect the network and its users from potential threats. Now that we've explored the various aspects of broadband network management, let's recap why it's so crucial. Firstly, traffic management is a cornerstone of network efficiency. By allocating bandwidth judiciously and employing traffic shaping techniques, broadband networks manage to distribute resources fairly among users. This ensures that essential services receive the priority they require and that all users enjoy a stable and responsive online experience. Next, network performance monitoring keeps the health of the network in check. Through real-time monitoring and detailed performance analysis, network administrators can swiftly identify and rectify issues, preventing potential disruptions. This proactive approach helps in maintaining the reliability and performance standards expected by users today. Lastly, the role of security management cannot be overstated. With cyber threats evolving rapidly, safeguarding user data through advanced encryption and robust threat detection systems has become paramount. This not only protects individuals' privacy, but also shields organizations from potential data breaches and cyber attacks. Effective broadband network management is the unsung hero behind our daily digital interactions, ensuring a safe, smooth, and speedy online experience. We've reached the end of our journey through the intricate world of broadband network management. Consider how this deep dive into the veins of the internet changes your perspective on the daily digital interactions. Whether it's streaming your favorite series, battling in an online game, or simply browsing, there's much more going on behind the scenes than you might think. Feel free to share your insights or pose any queries about how it all works in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, the next time you stream, download, or browse, there's a complex system ensuring your connection is secure and swift. Stay curious and keep exploring.